So basically, so the rules here are pretty simple. So you have your standard WASD or arrow keys to move. That's arrow keys to move. Just you do whichever you like. Just please pick one and stick to one. So as you're doing that, your keystrokes are being logged by our system. And let's say, yeah. And when you're doing that, your keystrokes are being logged by our system. And that is once again being translated into different numbers that are being sent to that same ref within Firebase that are sort of acting like the amplitude values for the brain signals. And the same thresholding applies. So if you press one key, that'll change the ref within Firebase to that value, which will be read by our system and translated into commands for the drone. So once we start our script right here, yeah, and so yeah, I see. Sunny, if you come right here, yeah, if you look at our screenshot of our laptop, you can see that we're constantly getting the forward, right, forward, left, back, right, and forward. There's a little bit of a lag, but it's pretty minimal. And just like with the drone, that would translate into commands for the drone. Now, few things to note here. One, I am going to be manually controlling takeoff and land, but all the directional controls, just like the other one, all of that directional control is you. So as soon as I hit takeoff, then everything you're doing in that snake game, you're going to see the drone doing. But when I hit land, then the drone's going to land and everything's just going to go back to more normal. Yeah, you got it? Bro, just give me a little message in the YouTube chat if you got that. Hello?
There would be a little latency, so let's wait for him to respond. Yeah. The stream will have few seconds of latency.
Okay, cool. So let me just start the drone, and if you could maybe just like on purpose run into one of the walls, and then when I say you hit play, and you're going to see the drone doing everything you see that snake doing. Okay, so let me just set it up real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot. I already did that. Let's move you over here. Just emulate the starting position of the snake in the game. And let's get back to our station. Ro, you still there? Ro, you still there? Hello? Ro?
Yeah, then we'll have to wait for the delay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So when I say go, then I'm gonna make the drone take off, and then you hit play and do whatever you do. Fly the drone to your heart's content. Okay, so I'm gonna exit off of this device, and you're only gonna be able to see me through Sunny's thing. Okay. Go back, please. Yeah, it got stuck against the wall. That's what happened. So I'm gonna move it more to the center, and then we're gonna go again. Okay. Just again, keep playing. You see that? You see that? Come on. Whoop. Whoop, okay, maybe. All right, maybe a little bit.